Hey guys, morning. Alright, so right now I'm about to walk to the market, and these little disposable bags, I recommend that you bring at least one or two, because especially if you're in a car, if you don't have a car and you're gonna be catching like a motor coach, or you're gonna be walking to the market and going back home, these are essential. This way you don't have to be carrying 5, 6, 7 bags at one time. Yeah, I probably go shopping once every 2 weeks. Like, I try to stretch it out, especially since, you know, I'm on a fixed income. Now, if I was getting paid every week or every 2 weeks, that'd be different. But no, I get paid once a month, and that gotta stretch me out. So I recommend go to the Dollar Tree or something, get these little disposable bags. This way, hold on, y'all, there's a car coming. This way, when you walk to the market, you can put more things in your bag compared to like a backpack. So I'm still walking, but you able to buy like fish and like chicken and stuff, beef on the street. That's what the meat look like if you buy it off the street. So right now I'm in an Atlantic supermarket. They just opened this location not too long ago, because there's another location like right across from it. I'm gonna show you the prices with the stuff I eat. I not eat regular Americanized stuff. It's my alright, so they got chicken wings. I see some that's 95 pesos, 113 pesos. So that's what we're gonna start off. We're gonna start off with some chicken wings. What is this for beef? Some type of seasoning. I don't know if it's jerk seasoning.
You know what I'm talking?
Yeah, I need some chicken wings. Alright, and for cereal, Ava like Captain Crunch, that's $2.65. Alright guys, now we are in Lindo. So usually I get like juices, apple juices, that's 72 pesos. And here we got the cheese. So they already pre-packaged. However, you can go to the deli and ask them for more cheese. We don't eat that much lunch meat. This is just for Ava to go to school. Alright, usually I try to get turkey. Turkey or ham, it doesn't really matter. We eat both. I want to tell y'all, this store is kind of expensive compared to like Pola. Like, a lot of expats come to this store, but it is a little bit expensive, on the expensive end. Yeah, so this is my receipt. So at Lindo I spent 966 pesos, and at Atlantic I spent 534 pesos. So again, that's around 35 US dollars put together. And I did not buy any more juices or vegetables and fruit. And for me, I'm gonna get those things off the street. I got 2 things of chicken, some steak, some fish, lunch meat, bread, some rice. You guys see toothpaste, these cereal things for Ava, and also some seasoning. What I'm about to do is about to take all the food that's in the refrigerator, take it out, wash the refrigerator completely clean, and then put the new food back in there. Like, I don't like putting new food in dirty refrigerators, so I have to take everything out, clean it really good, and then put stuff back. This way it helps me just like determine when they be thrown out, what I need to be putting back in there, like what I need to buy. So yeah, I'm gonna do that really quickly. I know you guys don't want to see me clean, so that's gonna be really quick. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna be right back. Everything out. Now some people don't do this, but this is how I was kind of like raised to do that. You don't know, your refrigerator is already dirty throughout the week, and you don't want to put like fresh food in a dirty refrigerator. So that's what I do. Whoever child do this, Ava always do this. You see, there's nothing in here, and she put it back in the refrigerator. And I be like, why you keep putting stuff like this back in the refrigerator? Yo, it's hot. All right, I'm done. Don't it look so better when you just clean your refrigerator before you put your food in? Alright, so yeah, I'm done with that. And again, like I told you before, like I put like cereal and stuff in the refrigerator just to like avoid the ants. Another option you could do, which is what I brought here, or like these little containers like this. So I brought 2 of them. All right, y'all. So now that that's done, I'm about to separate my meats in a little bit and clean up. This house is disgusting. The beef family, so I'm going to show y'all the real, but I got stuff everywhere. And y'all don't want to look at our rooms, but I'm about to clean up, get our clothes together so I can wash it for tomorrow, and that's really it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and this day in my life, and have a good day.